Welcome, guys. Good day. Welcome to Lifestyle Insights. Here, I'm going to be showing you how to add green screen button onto your videos on YouTube. So, follow me now and let's dive in. So, the first thing you are going to do is select your green screen subscribe button. Then, after selecting it, move to the cutout and click on the chroma key. After selecting the chroma key, then there will be a pop-up. So you will see a color picker. Click on the icon, then drag. You can see drag on the green screen, then click on it. After clicking on it, then adjust the strength and the shadow. Adjust the you can set it to any size of yours. You can adjust the shadow, and after doing that, play the button. As you can see, you successfully remove the green screen icon. So simple and straightforward. Please follow for more tips like this. Thank you. God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.